Alright you guys, today we're at Wendy's burger shop. And I popped in to try their bacon maple chicken burger sandwich thing, blah, blah, whatever. Got the menu, I got the set menu. It was $7.89 plus tax for a total of $8.54. Pardon my big moves, but hey, I'm still growing. It's a gorgeous day in Las Vegas today. Sun is shining, birds are singing, and Mario is getting stretched out. Oh well, c'est la vie. Fries. Tastes good. No problem. Little pepper. So I haven't been to Wendy's in I don't know how long. I mean, really, I try to remember. I think they have a they have a 4 for 4 going on. I think I tried that somewhere. Don't remember where or when. All right. Chicken. I'm sorry. Bacon maple chicken. Check it out. It smells like, whoa, I smell maple syrup. Can I see that? Inside there. And it's an interesting bun. I don't know what kind of bun this is, but it's very interesting. It's like a biscuit, but not really like a biscuit. Okay? So I guess maple syrup is the in thing this year because KFC next door has their maple chicken thing. Anyway, take a bite. Another bite. Okay, it's interesting, but no pizzazz, no for me, no oomph, you know? It's just like a pretty bland sandwich. And then again, I don't like cheese, so I said no cheese on mine, and the cheese added a little bit of kick to it. But it's just, you know, so. Shame, really. I think they should spice it up with something. I don't know what though. Dullsville, you guys, seriously. Well, I gave it a shot, right? For the first time in my life, I understand why folks carry hot sauce with them. Never understood that till just now. I'm not really a hot sauce fan, but I can understand folks would carry something to help out their food if it comes out a little bland. Oh, Wendy. In the old days, you were so hot and juicy. What happened? All right, you guys, I'm out of here. All right, I have in my hand the last bacon maple chicken bite. Thank God for small favors. All right, you like I always say, if you see it by a tried, hope you like it. Take care, wherever you are. Have a great day. I'm out of here.